You're on a state of Tennessee called Jim Byars.
Byars, come forward. Watch your step. Step right here, face your honor, raise your right hand.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth?
Yes,
Please have a seat, watch your step.
Would you please state your name and spell it for the jury?
Jim Byars, Jimbyars.
Mr. Byars, where do you work?
The Shelby County District Attorney General's Office.
What do you do there?
I'm a criminal investigator for the Special Victims Unit.
What does a criminal investigator do?
We do search warrants, interviews, find evidence, find witnesses, just any request the Attorney General asks of us.
How long have you been a criminal investigator for the district attorney's office?
Almost 9 years.
What did you do before that?
I was a sergeant with the Memphis Police Department and retired at 26 years.
As a sergeant with the Memphis Police Department, you do similar things to what you do now as a criminal investigator?
I was assigned to the sex crimes unit on the child side, so I did physical and sexual abuse cases of children.
I'd like to direct your attention to the case of State of Tennessee versus Brandon and Isabelle. Did you do any work in that case?
Yes, sir.
Specifically, I'd like to direct your attention back to September 5th of 2025. Did you go take some aerial photographs that day?
I did.
Explain to the jury what it is generally you did on that day.
We went up in a helicopter and just went to several different locations and just took photographs and video from the helicopter.
While in the helicopter, whose helicopter is that?
Memphis Police's helicopter.
While in the Memphis Police helicopter, did you go to the area of Levi and Sedgwick?
I did.
Did you take aerial photographs in that area?
I did.
You're at this time requesting permission to pass to the witness 3 photographs. Mr. Byars, I passed you 3 photographs. Can you please look at those and tell me if you recognize them?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
This is the aerial photographs of Sedgwick and Levi.
They have a very accurate depiction of what you saw from the helicopter that day?
Yes, sir. These are the ones I took.
Your Honor, this time it has to be marked as Exhibit 180 Collective, 3 photographs. Requesting permission to publish once more.
Go ahead, please.
Mr. Byars, is this one of the photographs?
Yes, sir.
And, let's see. You are requesting permission to pass to the witness a pointer. Mr. Byars, I'm passing you a digital laser pointer at that top button. There you got it. Could you please show us where Levi and Sedgwick is on this?
This is Sedgwick Street. Comes in through here. When you make this turn right here, it turns into Levi. Goes this direction. So this is Levi. This is Sedgwick.
And this road coming down off of Sedgwick by what appears to be kind of, is that a commercial area?
Yes, sir.
Now, it's coming back down towards that bottom left-hand corner, the roadway, correct?
Yes, sir.
Is that Lakeview?
Yes, sir. Right here.
Where is Mart Road?
Mart is going to be further back down here, approximately about a mile.
And you were gesturing with the pointer. Is it about where the pointer is showing on the screen, or is it, where was it?
It's further down.
What's that in the bottom left-hand corner? Does it appear to be a cellular tower?
Right here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Going to the next photograph of collected exhibit 180. Please explain to the jury what they can see here.
This is Sedgwick. And this is Levi right here.
The third photograph.
This is Sedgwick. And this is Levi. And that's Lakeview there.
Now, Mr. Byars, did you ever drive by that location or go to that location?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did you go to that location during daytime?
Yes, sir.
Why did you go by it during daytime?
From the helicopter, everything looks the same, so I want to make sure when I'm up there, I'm oriented to what I'm looking at on the ground, so I look for specific things, just so I know what I'm looking for when I get in the helicopter.
Did you also go by there at nighttime?
I did.
Did you, and when you, how did you get out there?
At nighttime, I drove my Tacoma car.
And so did you walk the area of Sedgwick and Levi at nighttime?
I did, yes, sir.
Did you also drive to Mart Road?
I did, yes, sir.
Did you drive that road at night?
I did.
Did you also go out to Mud Island?
I did.
Did you do a walkthrough of the Mud Island boat ramp at night?
Yes, I did.
Were all those video recorded?
They were.
You're, with permission to pass an object to the witness. The night that you did that, was that September 8th of 2025?
Yes, sir.
Could you take a look at what it is that I passed you and then tell me if you recognize it?
Yes, sir. It's an envelope I've walked on and initialed. An envelope I've signed and initialed.
What's inside of it?
A jump drive
Take a look at that.
that I've also initialed that I've seen.
So is that the jump drive that you watched?
Yes, sir.
Does it contain those 3 videos we just talked about?
Yes, sir.
Are they a fair and accurate depiction of what you saw out in those locations?
Yes, sir.
You are at this time asked to be marked as Exhibit 181.
Driving and seeing walkthrough videos initialed by JB in a very tiny envelope.
Question permission to publish.
Go ahead, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Is this the video walkthrough at Levi and Sedgwick?
Yes, sir. We're starting on Sedgwick, walking up towards Levi,
Is that the corner of Sedgwick and what?
Lakeview.
Onto Sedgwick Drive. Turning right off of Lakeview onto Sedgwick Drive.
There's a barrier up there, correct?
There it is.
So is the road currently closed off?
It's currently closed now, yes.
Do you know when that road was closed off?
I researched it and found the city of Memphis closed the road September the 4th, 2024 because they were doing illegal dumping in that area. So it's closed on both ends.
So on both ends of the road?
Yes, sir.
We just heard a sound on the video. Do you recognize that sound?
Yes, sir.
What was that sound?
There was broken glass and also multiple shell casings, spent shell casings from handguns, long guns, rifles, pistols, those type of.
Where were the shell casings and glass located on this road?
Just in the middle of the street. We were just walking right down the middle of the street.
Was it just located in one area, or was it on multiple different areas?
Just pretty much the entire route of the walk.
Were there any street signs out there that you could see?
There was one on Sedgwick and one on Levi.
Were there any road signs?
I don't recall any road signs. There's a road sign naming the streets, yes.
Are there any of the road signs such as directing for turns or for
Yes,
road closed at any time?
each corner. It's a pretty sharp corner, so each side has basically a warning to the corner.
Did you notice the condition of those road signs?
They both had multiple gunshot holes inside of them.
Now, Mr. Byars, what just happened here with the video?
We turned the lights on so we could see. It was so dark out.
Is that a flashlight?
Yes.
Is that one of the road signs you're referring to?
Yes.
In the distance there, is that another road sign that you were referring to?
Yes, so that's just the intersection sign.
Intersection of which streets?
Sedgwick. Sedgwick that we're on. And fixing to turn onto Levi.
Turn left onto Levi from Sedgwick.
Now, what's that in the distance on the left-hand side that's reflected?
Another street sign.
Are there any street lights back there on Sedgwick and Levi?
There's no lights at all back there. That's when we had to use the flashlights. There is no lighting at all. And even with the moon out, with the tree coverage, I mean, there's just like this pitch black.
So what's the street coverage like out there?
As those first photos you can see, you can just barely see an outline of the road. You wouldn't know it was a road unless I told you it was a road there, basically.
So, are we coming up on that street sign you were referring to a minute ago?
Yes, sir.
And this is walking on Levi, heading
Westbound
west?
on Levi.
Now, in the distance, there's something else reflected. Do you know what that is?
That's another barricade that's on the opposite end, just showing that the road is closed on that side, that you can't come back east on that road.
And the barricade, is it still on Levi, the barricade still on Levi, or is it on at a different intersection?
It's still on Levi, at the end of park.
You have a park?
At the end of a park.
While you were in the area of Sedgwick and Levi, did you also go to the area of Mart Road?
I did.
Was that around the same time of night as the video from Sedgwick and Levi that you took?
We left straight from here and went to the next location.
What direction did you appoint Mart Road from? Which way did you come to go to Mart Road?
I'm sorry.
When you were driving towards Mart Road,
Yes.
did you start on Lakeview?
Yes, we went Lakeview and passed Mart Road, turned around, and then came back as we're going west to find it.
So are you going south and west down Lakeview?
Correct.
Coming towards Sedgwick from
It's a
further up
turning,
Lakeview?
yes, it's a turning road, so. So this is Lakeview. I think I might have got a battery.
Are you turning onto Lakeview now?
Yeah, that's Lakeview there. I don't think I'm working anymore.
There are some streetlights on Lakeview, correct?
There are some.
So this one, are you heading south, southwest
Southwest,
on Lakeview?
yes.
Where are you turning onto now?
This is Mart Road right here, north onto Mart.
Did you have any difficulty finding Mart Road?
Yeah, I almost passed it. It's just a dark area and I didn't see it coming up.
When you were looking for Mart Road, did you have maps?
Yeah, I had actually a little map on my dash.
Did you still almost miss it?
I did, yeah.
Now, what's Mart Road like?
Mart Road is just a long winding road with nothing forever until you finally get to a few houses that have a little bit of light, and then you end up at the back of a FedEx freight with a bunch of 18-wheelers. So it's a big, huge fence with a bunch of 18-wheeler FedEx trucks back there.
Does that road actually go into the FedEx freight?
It does, and there's a fence there, and then it turns you to the left, and then you come up to a cattle gate, and then you basically are at a dead end, and you have to back out because it's not even wide enough to go anywhere else.
Now, the lighting at this point in the video, is that from street lights?
No, that's my lights on high.
Do you have your high beams on?
High beams.
Now, is that a street light there in the corner?
Yes, so it's the first one I believe we put into on Mart Road. And you have a couple houses that you end up getting to pretty far down the road. You do run into a couple of houses, and then you end up into the FedEx freight, a fence. Not the entrance to FedEx, but just a fence.
What are we seeing now in the distance?
This is coming up to the FedEx freight. You can start seeing a whole lot of light, and that's a big lighted parking lot where 18-wheelers are parked.
What's that there?
This is like a cattle gate, I would call it. I believe this is a private drive, maybe to someone's house, I'm not sure, but you can't go any further than there. And then you have to back out of there to turn around, so.
So how were you able to turn around?
I backed up until I could turn around.
Did you also go out to the area of the Mud Island boat ramp on that same night?
I did, yes, sir.
Walking in the entrance of the Mud Island boat ramp.
Is this a video of you walking there from the entrance of the Mud Island boat ramp?
Yes, sir.
Now, I want to pause and just go back very briefly.
Of the,
What is that? Well, so what are we looking at on the screen?
It's a gate. Basically, the ramp is closed right now. The parking lot is closed to get to the boat ramp, so it's a gate that's shut.
So at the actual entrance to the parking lot itself, there's a gate that is shut.
There's a gate there that's shut.
Mud Island boat ramp.
So how do you get around the gate?
There's just a break in the fence right here. You just walk around.
Now, what is that you can see in the video that you're coming up on?
So this is the old boat ramp. There's a new one on the other side of the parking area. And this is just a stop sign with another gate, so you don't go any further than that point.
Is that the Wolf River there in the distance?
It's Wolf River there, and then to my left is Mississippi River.
Mr. Byars, are you familiar with 8702 Lathbury?
I am.
That address, where is it in relation to Rock Creek Road?
I would say Cordova.
Okay. Did you drive out to at some point in
Sarah, may we
time?
approach, please? Pardon me, ladies and gentlemen. Sarah?
Mr. Byars, have you been out to that address?
I have, yes.
Where is Latberry in relation to Rock Creek Road? Is it,
It's on the same, that's basically just like a little small cove right off of Rock Creek.
so it's not like a long street, it's like a little cove?
Correct.
About how many houses are on that cove,
If
approximately?
I had to guess, maybe 3, 4, maybe. Small, it's a small river being a small cove.
In that little cove, the address for that is Latberry.
Yes.
Still pass with us.
Good afternoon, Mr. Boggs. The pictures that you showed the jury and the videos, were all three of them from September the 8th?
All of the videos from the same time, yes, sir. Same night.
September the 8th of 2025?
Yes, sir.
And what that showed the jury was what that road looked like on September the 8th of
Correct.
2025,
Yes, sir.
which is summertime.
Yes, sir.
And this incident that we're in trial on today happened in wintertime.
Yes, sir.
and 2022, right?
Correct.
And so what the jury saw is what the road looked like a few weeks ago.
Correct. Yes, sir.
And all that crackling that we heard on the video,
Yes, sir.
was that leaves, sticks?
It was glass, sticks, shell casings of every kind I've ever seen, like rifles, handguns, but there was glass, there was sticks, there was debris.
And, yeah, what I was just asking you about was on Levi and Sedgwick.
Yes, sir.
And I want to ask you now about Mark Road.
Okay.
And if I'm remembering right, Mr. Isabelle's GPS put him on Mark Road at about 11:48 in the morning, a.m. You showed a video of it in the evening, at night.
Yes, sir.
But it happened at night, the different times there. Why did you show it at night?
I went through with the request that I was given.
Oh, okay. You was asked to at that time?
Yes, sir.
I see. And on the Mud Island boat ramp,
Yes, sir.
that's what the video depicted the Mud Island boat ramp a couple of weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, in summer
Correct.
this year.
Yes, sir.
Instead of February 1st, 2022 of last year.
Yes, sir.
That's because that you were just told to do this, is that right?
Correct.
All right, no other questions, thank you.
No regrets, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. You may step down.